The Cirrus R1 is a linear LED fixture that offers general light in a clean, contemporary style. In this video, we will install the custom Cirrus with rectangular R1 lens on the wall and ceiling. Lie the box on its side, open and pull the channels out. Gather all sections labeled A, open, and remove the lenses. You will notice numerical labels on the ends of the channels. The labels indicate where channels should be joined. Align the channel ends that are labeled 1 and slide into place. Make sure the connector and pins mate properly. Tighten the M3 set screws on the straight connector located on the back of the channel using the provided 1.5 mm Allen wrench to secure in place. Connect the remaining A section by following the previous steps. Carefully lift assembly A against the wall and ceiling. Square and level the assembly. Mark the location of the assembly on the wall. Center the mounting clips and mark their location. Install the anchors. Secure mounting clips to the anchors using the provided screws and optional washers. Snap assembly A onto the mounting clips. Ensure the fixture is leveled and squared. Mark the location of the power cords and drill a hole through the ceiling tile. Feed the power cords through and route to the remote power supply. Before doing any electrical wiring, always ensure the power is turned off at the breaker panel. Mount the remote power supply in an accessible area nearby, for example, in a closet or inside a cabinet. Consult the wiring diagrams included with the remote power supply and installation instructions to connect it to the main power and a standard switch or compatible dimmer. Open the 96-watt 24-volt DC 0 to 10 power supply. Remove the covers from the enclosures, remove a knockout, and install appropriate connectors that satisfy your local code. Route the line and neutral wires to the input enclosure. Connect the wires using wire nuts. Ensure the power supply is grounded in accordance with local electrical code. Replace the gasket, if using outdoor, and the cover and tighten the 4 Phillips screws. Remove knockouts on the output enclosure and install wire connectors. Run the power cords from the fixture to the output enclosure. Connect the red positive wires together and the black negative wires together with wire nuts. Connect the gray and purple 0 to 10 volt wires to the 0 to 10 volt wires from the dimmer with wire nuts. Replace the gasket and cover and tighten the 4 Phillips screws. Test assembly A before continuing. Gather all sections labeled B and remove the lenses. T-bar clips are adjustable and rotate 360 degrees. They can be installed on the inside or outside of the channel. Open the arms of the T-bar clip. Align the end of section B with section A that matches the label on the end of the channel. Align the T-bar clip with the ceiling grid and squeeze the arms together to secure in place. Repeat for the other T-bar clips. Slide section B into section A over the power connection. Tighten the 2 number 440 set screws using a 0.05-inch Allen wrench to secure the channel. Connect the other B section to the other A section by following the previous steps. Align the next B section with the previous one. Ensure the labels on the ends of the channels match. Install the T-bar clips. Slide the channel in place, making sure the connector and pins mate properly. Tighten the 2 number 440 set screws using a 0.05-inch Allen wrench to secure the channel. Continue to connect the remaining B sections by following the previous steps. Lift section C up to the ceiling and align with the B assemblies. Install the T-bar clips. Slide the section in place, making sure that the connectors and pins mate properly. Tighten the 2 number 440 set screws using a 0.05-inch Allen wrench to secure the channel. Mark the location of the power cords and drill a hole through the ceiling tiles. Feed the power cords through and route to the remote power supplies. Repeat wiring steps mentioned earlier in the video. Test the fixture. Press the lenses into the channels, making sure they are fully seated. You have now installed the custom Cirrus with rectangular R1 lens. If you have any questions or need additional information, we are always here to help. PureEdge Lighting. Lighting personalized.